In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana inbox. Whether you're new to Asana or just looking to get more out of its features, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to effectively manage your inbox within Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate your messages and notifications with ease. Let's start by heading over to the Asana website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the Asana URL, or simply search for Asana in your search engine. Once there, you'll be greeted by the homepage, which has everything neatly laid out for you to dive right into work management. Next, take a look at the top right corner of this homepage. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login page, where you'll see various options to access your account. We're going to proceed with integration for convenience, so click on Continue with Google. If you're already logged into your Google account, it'll be seamless. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to sign in by choosing your Google account from the list that appears or entering your credentials. Once logged in, it's time to locate the inbox, a pivotal part of your Asana experience. Head to the top left corner of the Asana interface, where you'll find the inbox icon. Give that icon a click. This will bring you directly into your inbox, which is your main hub for communication within Asana. Inside your inbox, you will see all your messages and notifications. This is where Asana keeps you updated about what's happening with your tasks and projects. It's a powerful tool to stay on top of your workflow from one central location. Here you can browse through conversations, notifications about task assignments, project updates, and any mentions that require your attention. This is an excellent way to keep track of updates without having to open each project individually. Remember, the inbox is there to help streamline your communication and ensure you don't miss any critical updates. With practice, you'll find it becomes second nature to check your inbox regularly, keeping yourself informed and organized. So there you have it. A straightforward approach to using the Asana inbox efficiently. I hope this video helps you get the most out of Asana's features to enhance your productivity. As you explore further, you'll see how the Asana inbox can become an indispensable part of your organizational toolset. Thank you for joining me today, and happy task managing.